Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is not about my life. This video is about this wig that I'm gonna show y'all. So let's get right into it. I got this wig right here. We finna see what's up. I ain't opened it. I'm finna be just as surprised as y'all. So this company sent me this wig, and I just want to say thank you to this company for sending me this wig, and I'm so excited to see what it do. So as y'all can see, Luvme sent me this wig. I always love they packaging like that. Is so cute. So let's see what we got. So y'all know I do the hair last. So oh, we got some headbands, and these are different. You know, usually they give you the cheetah print, army camouflage print. They sent me some. These is like fall headbands. I love this color, orange. Oh, if I knew it was an orange headband, I would have wore orange. There's an orange headband right here. There's this burgundy one. Oh, yes, love it. Y'all did that for me. I love this. It's a burgundy one. I know they sent me a. Then they sent me this one. That's a pretty color there. This black one. See, I like these ones. I like these headbands here. Like, these are cute. And they sent this color pink. Well, this is a different pink than this one. I know it looks the same. Let me hold them side by side just to show y'all that they are a different color. Luvme. I love that. So it says enjoy your hair journey from now on. They always send that little letter. I love that. They sent this little pouch right here. Y'all know the pouch, the Luvme hair pouch. You can't forget it. Love that color, love that iridescence. And it comes with, yes, a Luvme hair tie thing. They need one of those. Some tweezers, this elastic band, this hairpin that says Luvme, some bobby pins, and another edge brush. And y'all, I'm still using the first edge brush they sent, so it was time for another one. So last but not least, let's get into the hair. Let's see. So this is what it is. Of course, by the headbands, you knew that this was a headband wig. So it just has two combs on the side, one in the front, and a comb in the back. Okay, and so this is a bob headband wig. No heat or anything, just straight up out the package. It has so much shine, so much luster. I believe this is 12 inches based off the link that will be in my description box for this wig. But before I tell y'all about all that, let me put this thing on, because we gotta see what it do. And I did the basic everything, the basic makeup, the basic outfit, because you know what, I ain't trying to sell y'all the wig. I'm trying to see if the wig can sell itself. So let's see. Right out the packaging, you can see the hair is not ready to go, but I can't fault them for that. I'm finna flat iron it. Look at it. So much body. I love it. The hair doesn't lie. This is some beautiful hair. Let's try on some of these headbands. So this is the burgundy headband, and I love it. This is so simple and so cute, and I'm definitely glad they sent me this around this time, because it's gonna be fall, and your girl just don't have time to be putting heat on her real hair the whole season. But I definitely can throw this on, y'all. The way this hair feels, oh my gosh, Yes, the way, just by the way the hair feels, like it's lovely. It's lovely, baby. Basic and all, this wig. Yes ma'am, yes sir, yes ma'am, whoever you are, yes. Okay. Yes. So I definitely recommend it. The link is in the description box down below. Make sure you go and check that out. I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all always know what I say at the end of my videos. I don't know, because I haven't recorded a video in so long. So I'll just see you in the next video. Bye.